Hey everybody, today is December 15th. It is the 15th installment of my 25 days of Christmas. And as you see, I once again have the snowflake wooden cutouts sitting before you. The reason that I have these out is one, I really like the shape. Two, I have a totally different idea from what I did last time, and I want to see how this turns out. I have this beautiful blue sapphire folk art metallic paint. I want to know what it's going to look like. My idea is to jazz it up a little bit with some glitter, and then if that all works out, I want to top it with UV resin. I know that you can see the shimmer. Well, that is actually dried glue, because what I tried to do when I was doing the video before with the ornaments in it, what I was trying to put on it, I couldn't even get it to stay. So I don't know what happened with that. So I just gave up on that idea and did something totally different. But that's why these look like they have something on them, because they actually do have glue, and I'm hoping that that will act actually as a sealer as well. Okay, now let's get into this. Okay, so I've got a makeup sponge. I like these. I'm going to use this, or I'm going to try to use this to paint this on. Wow. Doesn't want to go on that glue, I guess. So if this doesn't stay on, then I will turn it over and do the other side. Okay. Apparently it is the glue that it doesn't want to stick to. That's fine. It's fine. It's all fine. Everything's fine. We'll just do it on this side. No biggie. Okay, I'm gonna let that one dry, and then on this one, I'm gonna do something a little different, just a smidgen different. And since I know that it doesn't want to stick to the glue, I'm not even gonna bother with that side just now. All right, this one I painted white first, and then this is that beautiful, it's actually a turquoisey greenish blue. I don't know why it doesn't want to show up right on camera, but trust me, it is a greenish blue. It is beautiful. I'm going to try to put some of this on it first to see if it will actually stick to it and give me color, and see what happens with that. Okay, well, it got on my thumb as I was trying to open it, and I thought I could flick it on it, but it didn't work right. It didn't work well. All right. Let's see. All right. That may end up working. Oh, wow. That's so shimmery. I'm trying to get even coverage on all of it. Oh, sorry. Okay. See the shimmer on that? That's pretty. And then this one is kind of shimmery, but not as shimmery as this one. Let's see. Nah, didn't make a difference. All right, now this one, on just the tips, as close as I can. Sorry, I'm not talking. Trying to concentrate on what I'm doing. It's kind of hard to work sometimes and actually talk. Or at least it is for me. I think most crafters, when they're actually crafting, or makers, not just what I would consider crafters. This technically I would consider crafting. But woodworking and painting and mostly skilled artisans, I don't think that what I would consider skilled artisans would be painters and like I said, woodworkers, people like that. I don't think that they actually do talk while they're working. Most of the time, crafters and skilled workers are actually more focused on what they're doing than trying to talk about what they're doing. Okay, now I'm going to get out the actual glitter glue instead of just glitter, because I think my glitter glue will dry pretty fast, and then I'm going to also use the glitter as well. Alright, so I went and got another glitter glue. Of course, it's got the iridescent white in it. I'm going to go on just the tips here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put on some of this extra fine crystal diamond glitter that came from Walmart. In fact, the glitter's where I want it to be. I mean, it's where I want it to be, but it's not like I want it to be. Maybe I should have used a chunkier glitter. I don't know. I don't know. I know this got glitter stuck to it now, and it's probably going to end up falling off. Well, guess I'm going to let this dry. See what happens then. This one, I'm just going to put the glitter glue on and spread it across the whole paddle, end, tip, whatever you want to call it. No, well, no, I was going to say I would put it on the whole snowflake, but then I would lose the shimmer of the mica powder, wouldn't I? And then that would kind of be pointless. Alright, I'll let both these dry now. Okay, the other one is currently drying, so I am going to go ahead and put the UV resin on this one because it is actually dry. So, all I'm going to do is just put some on here. And then spread it across. Make sure I don't clog up the hole over there. Alright, stick this under the lamp. Well, here they are. I did this one off camera because you saw me put the resin on this one. I didn't see the point in doing this one too. Anyway, here they are. This one doesn't have as shimmery tips as I wanted it to. This one looks a lot better with the glitter on it. I like it as far as the glitter, but I like the darker blue. I'm probably going to make keychains out of these. There we go. That's pretty much what the color is. I think they'll still make pretty keychains. Ooh. And I painted the back of this one more so it has more color, and then of course the back of this one is white. And the backs need to be sealed, but I don't think I'm going to put resin on the backs. I can just use a regular sealer. Do you like them? Which one do you like? Or do you like both of them? Do you have a favorite here? I really like this one. I really do. Tomorrow I have a premiere coming out for the collaboration with Claire's Crafty Corner for the Christmas collaboration. I'm still going to put a video out for tomorrow, but it will be later on like this. Maybe not this late. I hope it's not this late. I was going to do that one for the 16th, but then I decided to go ahead and just do it simply as the collaboration, because that wouldn't be fair to everybody that was in the collaboration for me to have it split as the day 16 and the collaboration. But anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked it, then please hit the like button and leave me a comment below letting me know which one, or if you like both. I kind of like them both, but this one has to be my favorite. I like the way it turned out better. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I wish you would hit that subscribe button today. Thank you very much, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye.